front of me is Vivo IQOO 05 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Vivo. Firstly, just access settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. After that, select theme section and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Now select apply now and wait. As you can see, when I click home button, theme of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!